This is how to take apart your 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Now I'm not using a real Rubik's Cube today, but just get a regular Rubik's Cube. This is just a different type. Well, what the first thing you want to do is turn the top layer 45 degrees. You're going to want to take your finger and pull and just get under the piece and pull it out. If you cannot pull it out, you get a screwdriver like this, a flathead, put it under the piece, and you just flip it up and it'll pop out. So once you have this piece out, you're going to take this piece off. Then just take off the two corners. And another thing, I'll show you how to put it back together too. And you're going to take out these ones. And you're going to take out these ones. You're going to take out these ones. Then, after you do that, basically just move it around until all of them fall out. Here's your core. And yours will not be white how mine is. Yours will probably be black. And what you're going to do is you're going to get every piece. Oh, get your core and pick a side. I picked the green. So set the green on top. Pick out a green edge piece like this. Okay, right here. Green and red. Okay, right here is my red, green, and red. So I'm going to put it, just turn the red 45, put that in there, turn it up like that. Then you're going to set it like that. So the green is on bottom and the blue's on top. So, find another one. Shh. Making a video. Yeah, I'm having trouble finding one. Okay, right here. Green and orange. So, see, that's why I tell you guys to set it down like this. So once you have your green and orange, just gonna do it the same way. So this way, you're gonna find your, you're gonna find your red, turn it 45 degrees, and find your orange, turn it 45 degrees, and then stick it right in there. So now you got a row of green. Then you're gonna find your next green one, green and white, just kind of, this one, you would want to go all the way up, snap it in like that, and flip it all the way to the bottom. Then all you have is your green and yellow. Green and yellow. So now I'm going to do this one. So just snap that in like that. Okay, now it's kind of hard because I have a different cube, but with a Rubik's Cube, it's pretty easy. Because it's kind of stiff. Okay, then you're going to find all of the green corners you can, and a corner is like this. That. You're going to find 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and let me find the 4th one. And here's all 4 of my corners. Now, okay, so once you have this, what you're gonna do is you're gonna find the orange and white first. So look for green, orange, and white. Right here's mine. Green, orange, and white. Remember, green is on the bottom. So, wait, nope, that ain't green, orange, and white. Okay, green, orange, and white. So you're gonna stick it to where the green is facing bottom. So, just like that. Then you're gonna turn it again. You're gonna find your orange and yellow one. Green, orange, and yellow. And you stick green on the bottom, put it right there. Next one, red and yellow. Green, red, yellow. Stick it there. Your last one, self-explanatory. Green on the bottom. Okay, so now you have your bottom layer. So now you gotta fill in your edge pieces. This one is red and white. So find where red and white is. Red and white. And you're just gonna push it all the way this way and just push down until it pops in. Okay, next one. Go for the next red one. Red and yellow. So then you have this. You're gonna do your oranges. Orange and white. Now, if you get a piece that's like orange and blue, it would have to go like up here. So, but we're not on that step yet. Okay, so here's your orange and yellow. Okay, this is gonna be hard. Just gonna push it and push down until it pops in like that. So then you have your 2 middle rows. So pick out all of these. Now you want to find your yellow and white one because yellow and white is opposite. So okay, here are mine. Yellow, then my white one. To do this, you will turn the blue 45, push this down in like that. You're going to match it up to where it's blue, blue, yellow, 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 yellow. You're just going to do your white one. Okay. Then, after you have this done, where you have that straight line, get your corners. You're going to put in each corner. Not any random position you would like. Green, white, orange. Blue, white, orange. You put the blue on top, and you want to have it to where it looks like that. Just do your next one. Green. Put in all them. Fail. Put them mixed up. Okay, so once you have this is going to be the tricky part. I'm going to turn this 45 degrees. Make sure these corners stay there. And you're going to pick simply one of these. I'm going to go with the blue-red one. So this must be turned 45 degrees. Then you're going to do blue on top. You're going to snap it in there. You're going to turn this one 45 degrees. Just snap that one in there. So once you get in that, you have this assembled and deassembled your Rubik's Cube. So, yeah. Well, see ya.